Today I will share with you how to edit GoPro Max footage using the GoPro app so you can make a video that looks like this. Hello and welcome to a very quick tour of Trafalgar Square. So let's get started. So once you imported the GoPro Max footage onto your phone, it will appear under the Media tab on the app. Now here you can see a mix of footage. So we have 360 footage filmed in 5.6K 30 frames per second. I have hero mode footage, which was shot in 1080p. And I have reframed 360 video from the 5.6K 30 frames per second 360 video. Now, if you want to create a multi-clip edit, then you need to go to the Story tab, tap Create and Edit, and then here you can see the videos which you can import. You will see all the flat videos over here. So where are the 360 videos and how do you import them? Well, actually, you can't. If you want to import 360 video, you first need to reframe it, export it as a flat video, and then it will appear here so you can add it into your edit. So how do you reframe 360 video? Well, I'm going to go back into the Media tab. I have some reframe 360 video already, but I'll show you two examples, starting with this one. So to edit this 360 video, I'm going to tap the middle icon, which will allow me to trim the video and add keyframes. I'm going to tap the scissors icon to trim the video, and this is so I can keep the good parts of the video and get rid of the rest. So I'm going to tap the scissors icon here because this is the part I want to keep, highlighted in blue. I want to keep the parts whilst I am walking up until here. Tap the tick to confirm. So now that I've trimmed the video, I'm going to add keyframes, and keyframes basically tell the software, this is what I want the video to look like at this point in time. So at the beginning of the video, I want the frame to look like this. So I will add a keyframe here. Now at the end of the video, I want my video to zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to pinch the screen outwards, just a little zoom, make sure the gallery is straight and in shot, and add a keyframe here. Now I'm going to double check that the aspect ratio is set to 16:9, tap the tick to confirm. I'm happy with this shot, so I'll tap done and I'll render the video. Now when I render the video, it's going to turn this 5.6K 30 frames per second video into a flat video, which I can then import into my video edit. So now that that's done, I have the options to share this video clip onto social media, but we're not going to do that just yet. I'm going to go back and then swipe across to edit my next 360 video, which is this one. Same again, tap the middle icon to edit it. I'm going to tap the scissors icon to trim it, and I'm going to trim the video as I start walking about here. I'm going to keep it until I stop walking, which is about here. Tap the scissors icon, tap the tick to confirm, and now my video is trimmed. Now I'm going to go to the beginning of my video, and I'm going to barrel roll this video. So I want my starting view to be over here, and I'll add a keyframe at the beginning. Now this video is 28 seconds long, so to barrel roll this video, I'm going to add a keyframe 7 seconds in, which is a quarter of the video, but I'm going to turn it a quarter of the way. Add a keyframe here. Then I'll go to the 14th second, turn it upside down, so that's another quarter of the way. Then I'll go to the 21st second and turn it another quarter of the way. Add a keyframe here. And then I'll go to the end of the video, turn it all the way to look up to Nelson's column. And now all my keyframes have been added. Now I need to change the transition between the keyframes to linear. So I'll tap this button, change it to linear. And whilst I'm in this mode, I can go to the other keyframes in between them, change it to linear as well. And you can experiment with these to see what the difference is. And if I quickly play that back, you can now see Nelson's column starting to barrel roll. Now that that's done, I will render the video. So now that's ready to be imported into my video edit. To create an edit, go to the Story tab, tap Create an Edit, and here we have all the flat videos, including the ones which we just made from the 360 video. Now to import these videos into your timeline, just tap them to select them and tap the tick to confirm. And now all the video clips have been added to the timeline, which you can scroll left and right. Now the GoPro app has essentially made a video for us. Now all we need to do is adjust it to suit our needs. So the GoPro app added text at the beginning of the video. If I tap the text, I can change the text by tapping on it, and I'll change it to my London vlog. Tap the tick to confirm. I can change the duration of the text to short. Tap the tick to confirm, and I'll go back. In the second tab, I can change the theme of the video. So right now you can see the text looks like this, but now if I change it to action, you'll see the text now looks like this, which I prefer, so I'll keep it. The next tab is music. So I can use GoPro stock music. So I like that music, so I'll keep it. But if I want to, I can tap the plus button, go to your music, and now I can add any music from my phone. But for now, I will stick to GoPro's music. And in the next tab, I can change the length of my story or my video. And I'm going to change the length of my video to 20 seconds. Now, the great thing about the GoPro app is that it will automatically edit the video down to 20 seconds. Or if you want, you can make a longer edit up to 44 seconds. It depends on how many video clips you've added into your story. But for now, I'm going to keep it to 20 seconds. The last tab is aspect ratio. Now I exported all my videos as 16:9. So I will tap 16:9 and now the GoPro app will automatically reframe all my videos to the 16:9 format. Now I'll go back to my timeline and I have a video here where I speak. And you can hear my voice competing with the background music. But what we can do is make my voice stand out from the background music. So to do that, tap on the clip, go to volume, tap boost, and now the background music is very low and my voice has been boosted. Tap the tick to confirm. Now because this is auto edited, it hasn't actually picked the correct part of what I'm saying. So I'm going to go to trim, and here you can see what the GoPro app has auto edited, but I'm going to change it to manual. And I'm going to trim it to only the bit where I'm talking. So about there. That sounds good. So I'll tap the tick to confirm. So now I've override the automatic edit and I'll tap the back button. Now I want to move this to the front of my timeline. So I'll hold down on the clip and just drag it to the front. Now if I want to color grade this clip, I can tap it, tap filter, choose a color grade which I like, and I can choose the intensity of the color grade, tap the tick to confirm, and now I have a color grade on the video clip. If you want to, you can play around with the color grade exposure, contrast, vibrance, white balance, shadow and highlights. And at the end of the video is the GoPro logo. And if you want to get rid of it, just tap disable, tap done. And now if I play this back from the beginning, you can see what the GoPro app has auto edited for us.
Hello and welcome to a very quick tour of Trafalgar Square.
So now I have my 20-second video ready to export. I'm going to tap Save. Go to the share icon, save it to my phone, and that's it. Once your video is exported, you can now upload it to social media.
Hello and welcome to a very quick tour of Trafalgar Square.
I hope you found this video useful, and I'd love to see your GoPro Max edits, so please do tag me and I'll see you in the next one.